Hello, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, the extruder didn't really change much since the last video. Actually, nothing at all. But I made some new things that kind of failed, and I thought maybe you would be interested to see. As you can see over here, I have a kind of a test of a filament sensor to control the diameter of the filament, which is extruded here. But up until now it didn't really work. And over here you can see all the extrusions and kind of the failed things. But it is a lot cleaner than it was before. Not really as burnt as, for example, this filament over here. So yeah, it's getting better. And over here in this glass I have the extrusions from the 3D printer. Yeah, as you can see, it kind of extruded it, but I couldn't really print with it because the polypropylene I use might not be perfect for the printer, or I think I have to adjust the settings. But I'll show you now about this filament sensor, how it works or how it's meant to work. Yeah. So as you can see, this is the filament sensor. Here on the top I slide it in this Hall sensor. It's not a normal Hall sensor, but a linear Hall sensor, so it measures the analog value from a magnet, and the further it's away, the weaker is the magnetic field it gives as an output. Is lower when the magnet is near and higher when it's further away. Yes, with this potentiometer you can tune it to different distances. So here's the rest of the sensor. You get it in the screen. So this is just the filament I use to test it. This is normal PLA filament from the 3D printer. Yeah. So over here we have wait, let me show it. We have a magnet inside of this piece. Let me slide it out for you. So this piece and this piece slides up and down when filament is put inside. As you can see, it's slightly at an angle here towards the middle. So here's the filament slides through like this, and the thicker the filament is, the higher goes this. And because it's inside of this piece here, when the filament is thick, the piece slides like this. And the idea is that when I put the Hall sensor in, wait a second, like this, it's right above here, and the magnet and the magnetic field should be higher and lower when the filament is put through. And this is connected to the Arduino over there from the winder, so it adjusts the speed automatically. But as I already said, the value is not really consistent and the numbers change a lot, although the filament doesn't change. Yeah, that's kind of a problem right now, but I will see how I can solve it. Maybe a Hall sensor is not the best idea, Maybe I just have to fine tune it a little better. Yeah, that's the filament sensor I kind of try to develop. Yes. Everything else is pretty much the same. Yeah, it still works. Maybe I'll try with POA pellets next time, because the polypropylene is very difficult as it's a flexible material, and POA should be a little easier. Yeah, over here, and I don't remember if I showed you this already, I have some filament I made like this. Still not pretty consistent, but we're getting there. Takes some time to get the right speed and everything for the motor, and temperature is pretty much perfect. 160 degrees Celsius should be exactly how much it needs to melt. Yes, I think that's it. I'll see you soon, hopefully with new solutions.